Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes. Sixth question from sources. The first king to issue an inscription in India was. Who was the first king to issue an inscription? Okay. So inscriptions are nothing but they are the living evidences of respective period. Okay, they provide us about the culture, the heritage, the religion, economy, the administration of that region at that period. ಸೊ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಸೊ ಆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಕಲ್ಚರ್, ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ, ವೈಭವ, ಭಾಷೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಡಳಿತ ಇವೆಲ್ಲದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನ ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಶಾಸನಗಳು ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ಶಾಸನಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So who was the first king to issue an inscription in India? The first king answers options are option A Ashoka, option B Kanishka, option C Harshavardhana and option D Samudragupta. The first king to issue an inscription in India was Ashoka. Okay. Emperor Ashoka. He engraved inscriptions on the rocks and stone pillars. So ಆ ಶಾಸನಗಳನ್ನ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕಲ್ಲು ಕಂಬಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆತ್ತಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ಯಾರು? ಅಶೋಕ. ಓಕೆ, his inscriptions are found in many places in India. There are mostly Brahmi and Kharoshti script and Prakrit language. Okay, some inscriptions have been found in Greek and Arabic languages too. Aramic languages too. Okay, Greek and Aramic languages too. Ashoka's inscriptions have been found in Maski and Brahmagiri in Karnataka. Okay, so yelli sikkirodu Maski and Brahmagiri in Karnataka. So Ashoka was the first king to issue an inscription in India. Okay, children, thank you.